of the top coat on the top of my little purple nails. I don't know, you can call this as a purple, but it's really purple, pink purple, pastel purple. Or you can say pastel pink. I don't know how is that gonna work, but okay. We are curing it for 15 seconds only, and it really depends on the lamp too. Some lamp is getting 20 seconds perfect, but I using a Kira Sky and a cure in like 15 seconds. 15-second cure. Let's see what we're gonna do. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. I still dreaming about this. I said, oh my god, I really want to get on my nails. Stunning. Okay, I touched something. It's okay, don't big deal. The newest chromes, I freaking love this one. It's a purple, but I will try to find the names for this one. A holo. I'm using the other side. Look, I'm even using it from the least. Oh, this one, pretty everyone. Great. Excuse me. Dust off the excess pigment. Now I am going to dress up some of my really nice I don't think it looks good. I have this in mind for all of you already, so okay, I got it. Condensed glue gels again, everyone. You don't have to worry about mixing anything. It was you can do is right on the top of the chromes. It's not only not the right one. And if you're first time using the condensed glue gel, do not afraid of to blend them out because it'll really thick density, but it work amazing. So you don't want to apply too much or too little. Too much is gonna flood your crystal, and also too little is not gonna keep the crystal or charm and chain stay in one place. No wipe top coat again. I will never forget it. Sometimes I might talking to you and I forget it, and it's okay, I'll go back to get it, but it's always the best to have it on the top of uncured condensed glue gel. It will give you amazing results. I want to do it in here and leave it. Ruby Rose is one of my favorites. You can do it in like pink on pink, purple on purple, or just want to make it stand out really nice, even though you think it's not, but it will. Let me have some frame out here. I'm getting some frames. Hold on, I'm gonna do it right opposite way. Sorry. Yes, that's exactly what I want. I did it in the wrong place. How everyone doing today? Oh my god, it's so cool. I need to get the shorter the frame. Oh, I can't wait to show these nails. They're so stunning. I'm never gonna drop it right place. So excited to get to see everyone like tuning in. And here's a tip and trick for all of you who is beginners or who start playing with crystal placement and crystal like jewelry decoration. Do not hesitate to like playing and challenge yourself with different designs. I don't know how your end is. My end is really nice. I have tiny little guys right there. This is so stunning. Might too close to the cuticle area, but then you're gonna do it closer. Try to get that really nice. Still place. I love to mess around with this frame because what is the worst case turnout? If you don't like it, you can always take it off, you know. But do not afraid of to place with that. And the guy's shorter. I love this freaking frame. I'm messing around with this. If you're happy with this, now it's time for you to diamond dust pixie it. I'm gonna move them away so they won't spill in here. Again, empty tray. And Diamond Dust Pixie. I've been using this a lot, so it's a few of them. Hold on. Before, I'm gonna give it a little bit. I'm gonna put pink on pink. I'm not afraid of to do like pink on pink. If you don't want it, you can do just like AB, you know, but I want something different today. Just sprinkle it on the part of the end of the nails. And I'll leave the rest of them alone. I think I'm good. Looks really good, everyone. If you want to adjust anything, do it now before you cure. So then that way you will not get any stuff that you don't expecting, or some of them are running around or something like that. It will, but I really like it. Great. Cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna pour this one. Oop, I just spilled a little bit, but not big deal. I feel my Diamond Dust Pixie. Ah, what have I done? I just dropped a big centerpiece. Sorry, everyone. It's really simple, quick and easy, right, everyone? Hold on, let me dust this guys off here because it looks like a messy. There's so many Diamond Dust Pixie that I can't wait to sharing. It looks like. Yeah, it looks good. So now I am going to double secure this nails. It looks good, but I want to make sure all the bars and crystal stay in a nice place. Facebook see okay. And by doing a little exam, if I feel the little exams, like I feel scratchy, then I'm going to squeeze just a little bit to make sure between edges, gap, want to seal, especially right here on the edges of the bars, and then right here. And I'm going to make sure I secure along the edges of the nails, so then that way it will really seal Diamond Dust Pixie. So then you don't have to worry about it's coming off. Also, you don't have to worry about if it's like getting dirty or sticky. Twin tip brush right here so they won't scratching on the hair. And I'm using my twin tip brush and blend whatever precision glue left. I can't have to leave it up.